The date of exam has been announced and you have every reason to be excited. Wish you all the best. Hi, National Board of Examination (NBE) has released a notification giving the key dates of NEET exam. So NEET MDS 2020 will be conducted on December 20, 2019. Even FMGE and PDCET will be conducted on December 20, 2019. Whereas NEET PG 2020 will be conducted on 5th January 2020. Right? So these are some of the key dates released by NBE. And for further information regarding the timeline of online registration, information bulletin, etc., all the information will be available in nbe.edu.in. Once the information is uploaded, we'll get back to you with more information. Right? So this is an online based exam, computer based exam, NEET MDS 2020 being organized on December 20, 2019 and NEET PG 2020 being organized on January 5th, 2020. The date of exam has been announced and you have every reason to be excited. Wish you all the best.